2012 Chevy Camaro. Still got factory converters there and there. Got a factory H-pipe. Got factory resonators. And we put Flowmaster 40 series on both sides, because it had straight pipes and it was way too loud for them. Reused his tips there and there. They were fun to do, but we got them done. Right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. If you guys want these mufflers, you'll see a link in the description. Thank you. V6, I was mistaken. It's not a V8, it's a V6. Sound decibels, go ahead. It's about 96, 97, so it's legal. Go ahead and back it up for California people. Too quiet for us, but it's okay. Chevy Camaro V6, 2012. Let you guys hear on the inside. Get on it, okay? Chevy Camaro. Camaro. Got a black badge too. Chevy Camaro V6. Got factory converters there and there. Then secondary converters. Then it's true dualed into two MAGNAFLOW Magna packs. Then we did a resonator delete also, or a rear muffler delete. And did a resonator delete and put Magna packs in their place. That's what I meant to say. Into his original tips. Right there and right there. This is all the stuff that came off of it. There's the mid resonator and the giant muffler in the back. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Camaro RS. This is the one that comes with 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side, right there and right there. Then a factory H-pipe, factory resonators, baby resonators, just to cut down on the drone a little bit. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And we continued it and put some Flowmaster Outlaws, 2 of them, race mufflers, 1 on each side, and 4-inch tips. The numbers on the Flowmasters are 325 108. If you guys want to, we should have a link in the description, and hopefully we'll find a link for these tips or something close to them in 4-inch. It came out really beautiful. So we did a muffler delete and a Flowmaster 10 series Outlaws. Right there, race mufflers. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. She's hopping. She's hopping. Again. Sound decibels. It peaked at 103. Go ahead and back it up. That's perfect for a V6. Those Flowmaster Outlaws sound really good on these. Hope you guys like them. Again. And there's something else I saw. He's got a glow. The Chevy emblem glows. It's really cool when he presses the brake. Press the brake. That's cool. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful car. And you guys, as you guys all know, my favorite color, that dark blue. So it gets props for that too. And it sounds good now. No more quiet. ...2014 Chevy Camaro V6. This gentleman drove all the way from Mississippi to us off our YouTube channel. So we had to do him a really nice job, and we really appreciate it. He's got factory converters there and there. Then we put a X pipe instead of the H pipe and eliminated the resonators there. And then we did a muffler delete on each side and reused his tips. That one and that one. There's a muffler delete. Those are the 2 mufflers. And those are the resonators there, and the H pipe. X pipe sounds a lot better on these. V6 Camaro. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Tell us what you guys think. Smash it. Much better. Decibels. It peaked at 117, man. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. You like it?
Oh yeah.
All right. Make sure you tag us in your videos, okay? The channel at least.
Yeah.
Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2014 Camaro, all the way from Mississippi, baby. We appreciate his business. Get on him. 2020 Chevy Camaro RS V6, California edition, all the way from California. He drove it. It's got two converters, one on the mains, then two secondaries. Then it's got 2 1/4, and we true dualed it. There was a resonator on it right there. We cut it off. And then there was this gigantic muffler. We cut it off and put some DYNOMAX race bullets, 24 250s there and there. And then some quad tips, 5-inch outlets right there and right there. As you guys can see, came out absolutely beautiful. He changed the rear valence to make it fit the new tips, so it came out really nice, really clean. There it is, all the way. So that's what you do with these. You get that muffler off, and you put quad tips on it. Why? Why not? There you go. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. There'll be a link in the description for everything, so if you guys want to purchase. Wow. Sounds like a DYNOMAX race bullets, baby. Never disappoint. Give it gas. 121, bro. Definitely not legal in California. But we're getting that license plate off anyways. We're gonna make it Tennessee, baby. Dude, that sounds sick. I like it. Again? Let you guys hear it on the inside. Man, that's a badass Camaro. Those DYNOMAX bullets, guys, they never disappoint. They always sound so good on anything we put them on. Especially when you put them out the back. The farther back they are, the better they sound. 2020 Camaro.